Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to create your maze puzzle game in Canva. Go to Canva, search for this keyword. You will see different template for maze puzzle game. For example, you want to use this, just click on this icon and then you will start. Click customize this template. You will redirect it to this template. From this template, you can edit your maze puzzle game. So just click on this one. For example, click delete. You can add this color, for example, a red color, and then you can increase this one size. For example, you want to delete that beach, as you can see here. You can add this icon from this one. Just wait. This is for a beach, and then click customize. And then you can also add another stuff or element and Canva. This is for the page. Click this icon, as you can see here, and then you can increase this font, and then you can start create. You can edit all of puzzle game. This is another one. For example, you have different templates. You have also this one. This is for Halloween. Just customize this Halloween. You can add another stuff for maze puzzle game. This is for Halloween. You can also start editing. Just edit this one and then delete and add another things here. This for Halloween, just you can increase this one and then you can delete this one. This is for name and date. Basically, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you.